Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with thebusinesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Wednesday the 13th of June. And today we had a pretty good gap down in the markets. We had some numbers come in at 8:30, worse than expected. Had a big gap down in the markets. Markets basically chopped sideways for a little bit. 10 o'clock we had another number come out. Business inventories came out in line with expectations, which was actually better than the prior reading. And from there, the markets just bought up and went much higher. And then once it reached resistance, it just chopped around and just moved sideways for a little bit. Basically, what we did today, we took 4 trades. 3 of them were successful. The maximum profit potential that we were working in was 6.5 points or 26 ticks. Actual entries and exits in the room, we made 2 3/4 points or 11 ticks. So we definitely played it quite conservatively, and sometimes that happens, and it's still worked out fairly well. Let's get into what we did today. Off the open, we grabbed a short, rode that down a little bit, took some profits, and then the market did come back up and stop us out a little bit before break even. And then we watched the market chop around here. As it was selling down here, we grabbed a short and rode that down a little bit, and took some profit on that. The market did start to come back up, and around this area here we tried to take a short, which it came back up and stopped us out. And then we grabbed a long up here. As I took this trade short, it started going against us. I put in an order up here to get long, which it did get triggered. We went long and rode it up quite a bit, taking profit up here. So all in all, pretty decent day. This short didn't work out, but the long did. So overall we had 2 3/4 points we made. These 2 trades basically almost canceled each other out. So anyway, 4 trades, we were 3 for 1 on the day, not too bad. And with that, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out our website if you haven't already. And if you have and you enjoy it, thank you everyone. But anyway, on the website, on the right hand side, I have a getting started page. A lot of good information there, a lot of decent material. I have a couple other articles on the site. If you scroll down to the bottom, I have a couple articles that I wrote. And of course I have all these daily recap videos, such as the one you're watching right now. And I have a contact form on the right hand side, so if you have any questions, you can definitely send me out an email. That's what I'm here for. Ask any questions that you might have. There's no such thing as a dumb question. There's only the question that hasn't been asked. If you don't know the answer, definitely ask the question. And with that, let's check out the news for tomorrow. Alright, and tomorrow, first news comes out at 8:30 in the morning. Scroll down a little bit so you can see it better. We have core CPI coming out, looking for 0.2%, same as the prior reading. Unemployment claims, going to be a big one, looking for 377,000, same as the prior reading. CPI, looking for -0.2%, prior reading was flat. And current account, looking for -132 billion, prior was -124. 10:30 we have natural gas storage, looking for 55 billion, prior was 62. And at 1 o'clock we have a 30-year bond auction, so that will be interesting as well. With that, hope everybody enjoys this video. If you did, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Have an awesome night. I'll see you in the markets tomorrow. Thanks.